Okay, shall we see how to stitch the pocket? Okay, this is a patch pocket. So what I have done is I have taken the same pocket pattern which I showed you in the last video, and you will know the size of it exactly. This is 4 and 4.5 inches of fusing which I have placed on this. So to start with, we will have to fold this facing inside out like this. This is 1 inch for the facing of the pocket, and we are going to fold here till we get 1 inch. Okay, so you can mark it here if you want. This pocket is going to have the lace. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the lace here. Just 1 inch. I'm going to take it from here, this point till this, and mark it there. And also this side. And I'm going to place this on that point here and attach this lace first. See, I've just stitched the lace, and this is the facing, so which I'm going to stitch it here now. Keep it here, and then we will stitch it from here till down, back stitch and stitches. I'm using this as 1 centimeter guide. Okay, you can stitch it till the end because we are going to have the mitered corners. Okay, so I have done the pocket like this. Now we'll have to turn the facing inside out, but before that I am going to cut here and show you so that we will get a sharp corners. So I'm just going to cut here half. See here, only till this first, and then I'm going to cut only this top piece. Okay, not the bottom piece. See, the bottom piece is going to stay like that. So this one and this one. Okay, it's going to look like this. See, I'll show you again this side. Cut here till this. Okay, then you turn and cut only the top part of this. Can you see? That's it. And then you can just cut this. So it's like this. Can you see? Now I'm going to stitch along the facing line inside. See, you can see the pocket which I've just ironed, okay, with the lace. Let's see how to turn the mitered corners. In this corner, you just fold this triangle to 45 degrees angle, then fold this longest part here like this, okay, like this, and then you turn the bottom also to meet this point. So then this is how the mitered corners will be. Once again I will show you. Just see here, this is the fold is here, this corner triangle like this, fold the longest part inside like this, width which is 4 inches corner, I'm folding it here like this, and you can just pin it up now because we need this only when we are going to attach to the. See, now both my pockets are ready to attach and they are of the same measurement. I have marked for one pocket here and for the other pocket here. I've taken 1 centimeter margin from here and I've drawn a line here to show you all. Okay. Then how I got this point is folded this into half. So then I measured from here to here, which is 17 inches. Okay, half of 17 inches is 8.5 here, and then from top I measure till the skirt hem, which is 15 and a half. Half of that is 7 and 3/4 inches, so which I marked here. So that's how this point came. So to get this same pocket placement on the other side, what we do is we mark here and then take a thick needle like this and you can just poke it like that, take it out like that, poke it like that, then you will get that other corner. See, you will get the other corner and then you can mark it. See, here you can mark it. So then it will come into the same place like that. And then I have drawn the pocket measurement. Okay, now let's pin the pocket in the place. Okay, so I'll just take this and the pins, take it out like this and start pinning the corners first. Since there is a lace here, I'm going to pin here. And this mitered corners, fold it again nicely, keep it there and pin it up. Then again see, one pocket has been fixed with a needle. Now let's pin the other side. Now I have placed both the pocket in the place and the alignment is also correct now. Okay. Okay, now let me take it to the machine and I will show you how to attach the patch pocket. Okay. Okay, let me show you how to attach the patch pocket. So you have to take it out from this point till here, then take 1/4 of an inch here like this and then take straight down. Okay, so let's stitch it. Let the needle be inside, take it, turn it, then bring the stitch 3 stitches towards this corner. Then let the needle be inside, lift it up, pressure foot down and stitch it straight here till this corner. When the needle is in the corner point, just lift the pressure foot, turn it. So just see here, now again from this side till the corner. Now the needle is in the corner point, then lift the pressure foot, turn it, pressure foot down, then straight you have to bring it till the corner. Then just stitch 3 stitches this side, which will be 1/4 inches. Turn it, keep the pressure foot down, you bring diagonally to this point. That's it. Okay, so then you can just lift it up, take out this and remove the thread. Cut it long because we are going to take this thread from bottom. We are going to take both the threads out. So how do we take it out? I'll just show it to you. See, you just pull this thread and you will find the other thread is also coming in underneath. So you just pull both of them like this. Then you can just tie them. See? I have now attached both the pockets in front part of the dress. So next I will show you how to attach the lace. So please subscribe to see my next coming video.